this is Sean again with Reviews by Sean. Today I'm reviewing another mug by AW Fashions, and this is there's really eggnog in here. Let's see how this is. It's nicely packed with some bubble wrap. It looks like a really neat mug. There's really eggnog in here. I know a lot of people who can use that mug. But if you would like the mug and you'd like to purchase it, visit the link down in the description. They're not a sponsor or anything. Alright, have a good day.